This is exactly how to cook your pre-cooked shrimp here, as you can see. So to be able to cook your pre-cooked shrimp, what you need to do first is to grab one of those here, as you can see, where water actually can pass. And then you're gonna put your shrimp inside of it, and then you're gonna turn on some cold water over it. Basically, this needs to be cold water, and you're gonna let it run for 5 to 10 minutes, and then just soak in the cold water in for the shrimps here. And then what you're gonna do after 5 to 10 minutes is to double check if the shrimps are easy to bend or not. If they're easy to bend, perfect. Then we can proceed to the next step. So the next step is going to be for you to realize how you want to actually cook them. So if you want to be able to cook them warm here, and you can add it, for example, to your pasta, like it fits perfectly to that, well, then you need to grab your pan here, as you can see, add oil towards the pan, and then you're gonna cook it on medium and to low heat here, as you can see. So you can add, for example, your garlic and seasonings, and then after that toss in the shrimps and cook just until warm, about 2 minutes quite often. But if you don't want to cook them warm, so you can see here, if you're making shrimp cocktail as an example, or a cold shrimp salad, no heating is actually required. Just thaw, peel, and serve directly over ice with cocktail sauce or your favorite dressing here, as you can see. But I think quite often, like most of you will probably want to cook it here. So that is exactly how to actually cook your pre-cooked shrimp.